Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 Red. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got, it's the start of 2025. We're deep into, well, not deep into it, but we're in February. And listen, this is the sneaker of the year. Hands down, sneaker of the year. We've got the classic. We got the one that started the whole movement of sneakerhead society, people collecting trainers in general. We've got the Air Jordan 1, black, red, the 1985 cut. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Before we get unboxing, I mean, you've seen the Air Jordan 1 box. I don't really have to show you it. It's the black and red one that most Jordan 1s come in. But let's go into the specs. So we've got the Air Jordan 1 High 85, and we got this in the black varsity red colorway, or colloquially called the bread. And we got this in a UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. Now let's get unboxing. Not gonna lie, did kind of cheat because as a lot of Air Jordan 1s come unlaced, we've opened the box, laced them pre-hand, and I mean, they look better like this anyway. But my lords, I mean, it's such great quality. The cut, because it's a 1985 one, it's hella dope. And it just very much like the OG pair that came out in 1985. I don't know if I were going to do a quick history lesson, but for those that don't know, I mean, you should know, but if you don't know, this is the Air Jordan 1. It was the first Nike shoe designed by Peter Moore, and it was for Michael Jordan. And, this is honestly one of the greatest. I forgot the name of that film, which was Ben Affleck, but it kind of chronicles Nike signing Jordan, because Jordan was about to go to Adidas, but then they pitched to his mum, and his mum told him to try and see what Nike's about. And without that, you wouldn't get the Air Jordan 1. This was Michael Jordan's first signature sneaker, and it was Nike's first pro athlete, because Nike had the Dunks back in the day, but this was the first silhouette made for a Nike athlete, and it was Michael Jordan. And this is the greatest of all time, and the sneaker is probably the greatest sneaker of all time. Let's get into all the details now. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is your typical Air Jordan 1 outsole. You've got the radial print there, and it's probably one of the greatest traction units that you can find in a Nike basketball shoe. Midsole, you've got a rubber cup sole, but encompassed in this cup sole, you've got an air unit, and it's the first basketball shoe to incorporate the air unit. And then you look at the upper, and you've got these really premium leather upper in the bread and red colorway. Look at the toe box, nicely perforated. You got the red swoosh on the lateral side, and it's on the medial side also. The wings logo, you can clearly see it right there on the lateral side. And then you look at the lacing system, you got typical laces. As I mentioned before, we lace this pre-unboxing, pre-video, and it comes with a pair of red laces. So if you can if you want to swap it out, you can. And then you got your foam tongue with the Nike Air logo also. Then you got this little bit of, the little card that it comes with, the Air Jordan High. Add a little bio to Michael Jordan, who is basketball's hottest new star. And it incorporates it's got all the details like the air sole system and what kind of levers, the collar it provides for ankle support, all that jazz. So with this being the 85 cut, it's a bit of a high cut. We've done Air Jordan 85 cuts in it before. You can check out the videos there. but you can see it. This is closer to the original one than the last time this retroed in 2016, which was, we do have a video of that, so check out a baby me doing that review. For that, it was like a tumbled leather. The cut isn't as high, but this one kind of replicates the one that Jordan wore, the one that released in 1985. It's like a block solid leather right there. You don't see the tumbled effects. You can't see any creases unless, you know, you bend your toes wearing these, which you shouldn't. I mean, look at that. It's proper crisp and clean. Such a great sneaker. I mean, this is sneaker of the year for me, and we're only in the start of the year. This is the one I set off. I don't need to go into much more explanation because everyone knows the deal with it when it comes to the sneaker. Honestly, GOAT sneaker status. Can't wait to try these on for you. So roll out footage of me trying these Air Jordan 1 breads on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike Jordan fit. I typically wear a 7.5. This is perfect for me. And I'm really scared to crease it, I'm not going to lie. So it's going to be tough. You know, this is something that you have to put on ice. But listen, you know, you got so much heritage here. Such a clean look, such a great sneaker. Obviously, this is the GOAT sneaker. And this is already, hands down, sneaker of the year for me. We'll wait until December, but when we do the actual video, but this is already there. For me, top sneaker of the year of 2025. We got it here. Tune in. Till then. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at NOTWOWAYS on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.